What everyone gets wrong about planes. Airplanes have been a marvel of modern engineering for over a century, yet many misconceptions still surround how they work, what makes them safe, and how they are operated. From the physics of flight to the realities of air travel, let's dive into some of the most common myths and misunderstandings about planes, and set the record straight. 1 myth: planes stay in the air because of speed alone. One of the most widespread myths is that planes stay in the air purely because they are moving fast. While speed is a crucial factor, it's not the only one. The real secret lies in the design of the wings and the principles of lift. The wings of an airplane are shaped to create a difference in air pressure above and below the wing. This difference generates lift, allowing the plane to stay airborne. Speed contributes to maintaining lift, but the unique shape and angle of the wings are just as important. 2 myth: turbulence is dangerous. Turbulence is often a source of anxiety for passengers, with many believing it's a sign of danger. In reality, turbulence is a normal part of flying and rarely poses any serious risk to the aircraft. Planes are built to withstand much more severe turbulence than what passengers typically experience. Pilots are trained to navigate through turbulent areas and adjust the flight path if necessary, ensuring safety at all times. While it may be uncomfortable, turbulence is far from dangerous. 3 myth: the airplane door can be opened mid-flight. Another common misconception is that the door of a plane can be opened during flight. This is simply not true. Airplane doors are designed to stay securely closed when the aircraft is pressurized, which occurs at high altitudes. The pressure inside the cabin is much higher than the pressure outside, making it physically impossible for anyone to open the door while the plane is in the air. The mechanisms of the doors are also locked securely to prevent any accidental opening. 4 myth: oxygen masks are needed due to lack of air. When oxygen masks deploy, some passengers might believe it's because there's a lack of oxygen in the cabin. In reality, it's about maintaining sufficient oxygen levels at high altitudes. If the cabin loses pressure, the air becomes too thin to breathe normally. The oxygen masks provide passengers with a supply of oxygen, ensuring they can breathe comfortably until the plane descends to a lower, safer altitude. 5 myth: pilots manually fly the plane the entire time. While it's true that pilots are highly skilled at flying, they do not manually control the plane for the entire duration of the flight. Modern aircraft are equipped with sophisticated autopilot systems that manage many aspects of the flight, including navigation, altitude, and speed. Pilots monitor these systems and are always ready to take manual control if needed. Autopilot helps manage long flights and reduces pilot fatigue, but the human pilot remains an essential part of the flight operation. 6 myth: lightning can cause a plane to crash. Many people fear that a plane struck by lightning is in serious danger, but this is another misconception. Planes are designed to handle lightning strikes, and they actually get struck more often than people realize. The aircraft's structure and systems are built to conduct electricity around the exterior, preventing it from damaging the interior or affecting critical systems. Modern planes are tested rigorously to ensure they can safely withstand lightning strikes without incident. Conclusion: understanding the realities of how airplanes work can alleviate many common fears and misconceptions about flying. From the science of lift to the safety features built into every aircraft, planes are marvels of engineering designed with safety and efficiency in mind. By debunking these myths, we can all gain a better appreciation for the incredible technology that allows us to soar through the skies.